learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another edition of Hakka Training, and this whole month we're taking the train to Taoyuan City and a very well-known district. It's Longtan. Now, there's got to be a lot of people that are from Longtan that we should know of, and I want Leo to introduce that to us. 今天呢，在这个桃园龙潭地区啊，又有吃又有喝又有玩的哦。我相信这边有很多客家名人也是来自此区啊。待会边散步边吃东西的时候，我们请 Leo 来介绍一下好了。哇 ，Leo 啊，真的来到龙潭啊，真的是好好玩啊。然后这边的风水好啊，地灵人杰，所以这边应该有很多有名的人物。
有啊，我之前不是带你去一个馆吗？在那个龙潭大池旁边。是，
没错。
雨贤馆，
邓雨贤，
他是在音乐方面有非常特殊的成就啊。
那还有别人是不是？
另外一个，我们来介绍文学方面的台湾文学之母钟肇政老师，我们尊称他叫钟老。在1989年有一部非常受到大家欢迎的国片《鲁冰花》，就是改编自钟肇政的小说。
原来我们钟肇政的是来自于龙潭地区啊。
对啊。1961年，他发表了第一部的长篇小说《鲁冰花》。同年呢，又发表了浊流3部曲这个大河小说，可以说是台湾大河小说的一个开创者。
我跟你讲，我们这边要多散步了哈，可能可以激发我的一些创造能力了。
对啊，感染一下这龙潭的灵气，
对，
是不是？
搞不好哪一天呢，我会变成作曲人啊，或者是这个作家啊。对对
好，那我拭目以待喽。
好，但我们赶快去走透透吧。
好，走。
In 1989, a film called The Dull Ice Flower took Taiwan by storm. This film was adapted from a story written by Zhong Zhaozhen, also known as the father of Taiwanese literature. This prolific Hakka author also worked hard for his people, establishing the Taiwan Hakka Association for Public Affairs and Formosa Hakka Radio. So when visiting Longtan, be sure to check out the birthplace of post-war Hakka literature at the old Japanese boarding house where Zhong used to live and get a feel for this important cultural location.
So after learning more about the people of Longtan, I think it's time to teach you some Hakka vocabulary. 这个钟肇政呢，他既然是一个文学作家，那就来教这4个字啊。文学作家怎么说？
文學
，OK, that's literature. 那作家呢？
作家
that's an author. 鲁冰花是他写的，客语怎么说鲁冰花呢？
鲁冰花
That's a very well-known novel called The Dull Ice Flower. Now you know, and that is Hakka Training on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.